Hello and a very good day everyone. So today we will learn on Power BI. As we can refer in this particular file, we do have employee names, we do have the cities, the states, the dates, the insurance claim and also the Indian rupees. So basically I want to transform this particular data into insightable insights in Power BI. So let's get started. So the first thing is I go to my Power BI. So what I'll do is I'll click on the blank report. So what I'm going to do is I need to import data from Excel. So I click import data from Excel. You will notice that a box will appear. So you need to know where you save, either in desktop, downloads or documents. So basically I save on downloads. So 29 May 2025, I'm going to press open. So once I press open, you will notice that a box will appear. So basically they will ask you which particular sheet or tab you want to choose. So my tab name is part 1. So I'm going to select this. When I select this, I'm not able to press load and transform data. So what I need to do is I need to tick the box. So once I tick the box, so you will notice that we are able to press load and transform data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press load. So once I press load, you will notice that we will load the data eventually to the Power BI desktop. Alright, so now we have already loaded the data to the Power BI desktop. So you'll take the size, you'll look at the rows. And then what I'm going to do is I'll see here, this is the data where we have the cities, the dates, the employee and also this particular data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press slicer. A slicer is basically a visualization tool to make selection. I'm going to select this and I'm going to tick on the states. So right now we have the states, which includes like, Delhi, Gujarat, Karnataka and also Maharashtra and so on. So I need to expand this and I want to actually change this format into a different format. So if just say you want to change the visual, you want to change the color, you want to change the layout, you go to format your visual. Click it over here, click on slicer settings and click on tiles. You click on tiles and here you go. So this is in a tile format. So I want to make it better. So now this is our slicer. And then what I'm going to do next is I just want to create a map. So I'm going to click on the map over here. So this is the map and I'll tick on the states. So when I tick on the stats, so eventually you will see the data over here. So just say when I click on Tamil Nadu, you will see that it shows the map of Tamil Nadu. When I click Rajasthan, it will show me the map of Rajasthan. And if just say I click on Maharashtra, it will show me the map of Maharashtra. So this is the beauty of Power BI where we can select the data accordingly. So let me just change this. So now this is the data. And let me just zoom out a bit. So now this is the data and let me click another visual over here. So I want to choose a clustered bar chart and I want a dedicated employee name and Indian rupees. So now we will have this particular data over here. So if just say I clear selection, so when I clear selection, this is the database. So when I click on a particular data, it shows me this particular information over here. And if I unselect and I select other, so it will show me the data over here. So this is how we can actually play around this Power BI. So basically Power BI can actually turn variable data to exciting insights. And if just say you want to show the data label, you can actually go over here and on the data label. So here we have the data label. And if you want in the form of thousands, you can expand this, go to the value, and then you can actually change this to instead of auto, you change this to thousands. So it will come thousands over here. So this is how we can play around our data. So when we select, it changes accordingly. So that's the beauty of Power BI because you can actually make selection. You can just change this and make a beautiful